Welcome to Yardie Kitchen. And today I'm just trying to make some juice. Yes, some fresh juice, and I'm gonna show you what I have. In this bowl, I have washed and peeled about 4 to 5 carrots, medium-sized carrots. I've washed and peeled half of a beetroot. I have half of a lime, a little bit more than half, and I have a piece of ginger. And I also have right here, I have 2 oranges, 2 very, very sweet orange. And I'm gonna just make a quick little juice, carrot, beetroot, ginger, lime, and orange. Right, no sugar added and everything. And for this, with this demonstration, I'm gonna be using my trusted Juiceman juicer. Let me see if I can, yes. My Juiceman juicer is very old, guys. Yeah, I really want a new juicer. I want one of those Olympic, what you call it? The crush, the one that crushes the juice instead of spin the something. But it's sort of expensive, so I have to work with them off. All right, so I have this Juiceman and it's been there for forever, but it's trusty. It still works. And even though as I said, it is not the spinning one and the one that does the crushing, it suffices for now. But I'm gonna be doing my juice this morning, and hopefully I will get to do about 3 different types of juice, different bottles of juice, and I know that you guys will like that. All right, so let's get started on making our juice. And my station isn't that clean, so not clean, but not tidy. Everything is sort of all over the place, so bear with me. I'm close doing a close shot, so bear with me. All right, guys, so let's get juicing. And I'm gonna crush this lime, squeeze this lime, getting a good amount of lime. And what I'm gonna do is I have a little bottle that I'll be filling with this juice. I'm using this little bottle from Noble, Noble Juices, and it's a Florida brand. Well, I think so, Seminole Pride, yeah. And it's a very, 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 very good orange juice. They have tangerine, clementine, and tangerine, and we totally love it. So that's gonna be my bottle. All right, so I have already blended my carrots, beets, and ginger, and my lime is here now. And I'm just gonna squeeze my squeeze the juice out of the orange, and then put everything in my bottle, and I'll show you when that's done. Yeah. So I added about 4 more carrots because I want to fill this bottle up. And the oranges weren't as juicy as I thought they were. They're more meaty. So I had to improvise and use more carrots. So we're going to 8 carrots now. And see, we still have space in this. So I'm going to use 4 more carrots. And we're going to continue until we get the bottle all the way up. Yes. And remember, guys, that these are medium-sized carrots, and that's why I think it takes so much to fill this little bottle. And this bottle is a 32-ounce bottle. So, just bear with me. If you want to fill a bottle of certain size, you're going to have to, add more ingredients. So, obviously, the 8 carat and then also, let me just be real with you guys. You see, the machine that I'm using is not the best of machines. It does a good job. Yes, I get the stuff out, but because of the type of machine that it is and the oldness of the machine, you're gonna end up losing a little bit more of your carrot than what you would have if you had, say, for instance, a brand new machine, or if you had one of the crushing ones. I can't remember the name. I'm gonna try to remember the name and let you guys know, but again, based on your circumstances, you have to do what you have to do. So I have another 4 carrots that I'm gonna add, and then I'm also gonna squeeze 1 more orange. So it's gonna be 3 oranges and a dozen carrots and half of a beetroot. Yeah. So let's get to the mixing, the juicing a little bit more. Yeah. And here is the finished juice. Obviously, you have to shake it and keep it. When you're gonna drink it, you shake it. But yeah, carrot, beetroot, ginger, yeah, and orange, and that are the finished juice right there. So 32 ounce of juice. Don't watch the label. I love the bottle, so me tag label the company nights. But yeah. And this can serve for me, the little boy, and the wifey. You see? And we each get a good nutritious drink out of it. Make sure so when you make your juice, you drink them by at least a day. Don't make a day pass. You drink them as soon as possible. So let's put this in the fridge, make it cool, and then next juice we're gonna make now is a green goodness juice. Alright? Now I have some celery. I have 3 stalks of celery. I have a little small bungle of kale. I trust the ginger. I not leave home without it. I have a lime. And I have 2 large cucumbers or cucumber. Yeah, But here are guys, let me just tell you from now. I'm going to peel this. As you can see, I start already. I'm going to peel the whole lot. Let me tell you why. Because the cucumber them nowadays, them covered with wax. Yes, them cover them with wax so that them not go bad so quick. So because of that now, you don't want this wax thing, even not remotely come near to your body. So me go peel off the whole of them. As you can see, you put them under water, the water bead off for them. Yeah, them covered with wax. So you go peel that. And then I have 2 large Granny Smith apple what me go use. Yeah. And the Granny Smith apple is to bring the sweetness. And then the final thing we're gonna add in that, this juice now is some spirulina. Alright, as the name is called, green goodness. So I have to add in my spirulina. So you see the process already. I just have to clean up as much as possible and then blend up, show you the finishing. So the thing set. Remember me told you. And I want to tell you, I'm find 2 slices of pineapple. Yeah, 2 slices of pineapple. I'm going to just put them in it. Same way, so you understand? Just wash them and put them in it. Yeah, that's what the thing said. Watch out, see. So here is my finished juice. Yes. Let me shake up that one here phone and make you see what I go on. Yeah. All right. So this one is my carrot and my beetroot, ginger, carrot, beetroot, ginger, and orange. Yeah. All right. And this one is my green goodness. Yeah, with a little bit of pineapple in this one. Yeah, a little bit of pineapple in this one. And this is my carrot, apple, and grape. Yeah, with some lime. And I promise you guys, it was just awesome. I just feel good making these juices. Now this is, let me just show you this, because I'm not getting paid to endorse any product or anything like that. But this juice, guys, see there, noble. I wish they would, recognize me and see that I'm really and truly a straight up guy. This juice is very, very good. It tastes so good. No sugar added, and 100% tangerine juice, and the other bottles. This is clementine, and I promise you guys, I buy all of them and drink them. These are the last one left, and it just look pretty. It may not even feel like I want to drink them no more. I feel like I just want to make them stay in my fridge and look good. But this is my juices, and I'm sure I showed you guys the process, how to make them, and I hope you get to try it. Now the juicer that I was commenting about was what is called a slow juicer. It's a machine that works by crushing the pulp of the fruit and extracting more liquid out of it, and it is 100% better than the fast juicer that I used, and especially the one that I have, because the one that I have is really old. But that's the one I'm hoping to own and to buy, and eventually, it costs a little bit, so me have to go do what me have to do, and get it. But I promise you guys, nutritious, healthy, pretty juice. My head hurt me. Me feel like I want to cry. Why? Why the juice tastes good? A joke. But guys, I promise. You see all this? The one here? The apple and the carrot and the grape. It is so sweet. Come like me put sugar in it. I mean, I put no sugar in it. I put, you at least you know see. This tastes so healthy. With the ginger and the lime and the pineapple, it kick it up a notch. And the reason why it has this deep green color is because, as I told you guys, I put spirulina in it, and so that one is very good. And this one is very tangy, very nice. I use a lot of ginger, and I don't skimp on the ginger, guys, I promise you, because the ginger is very good for you. So I just wanted to share my juices with you and the stuff that I drink, and hopefully it inspires you to get out there and buy something, invest in your body, buy yourself a juicer, a proper juicer. And I do hope that eventually I will have one too, that I can brag and show you guys what's been happening with Yardie Belly's kitchen. And hey, eventually we get it done. Once again, like, share, subscribe. Remember to check out the description box for ways in which you can donate to us. And also for business inquiries, if you want product to be endorsed or anything like that. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for commenting. I appreciate all the positive comments, and I'm learning from those comments that are somewhat negative, but not overly. But we thank you anyway for all that you do. Once again, this is Yardie Belly's TV. And hey, YouTube, have a good day. Remember, live and laugh, cook and eat. Yardie Belly TV.